Mama, don't stress your mind.
Hello my beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. You guys know I love my life hack videos. I love a good life hack. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty sure you can tell by the amount of life hack videos I have made. I thought it would be fun to test people's life hacks and see how they work. So I'm gonna be testing Wengie's life hacks, and in particular I'm gonna be testing her hair hacks because she has the ultimate hair goals. I'm pretty sure you guys all know who Wengie is, but if you don't, somehow I will link her video down below and her channel. I thought it'd be fun to test out her hair hacks since I'm obsessed with her hair and I am living for it. I want a unicorn hair goals. If you guys want me to do more of these videos, thumbs it up, leave a comment, tell me who you want me to do next. And as well as if you haven't already, what are you guys doing? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Nicolettes Fam Jam. Circle uploads every other day here on my channel. And don't forget to head over to my channel and hit that bell notification so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. Also, since it's a new year, I'm really starting to get back into Instagram and spamming you guys. So if you head over right now, you follow me and comment on my latest post, I will spam you, I will send you a DM, I will do whatever, we can chit chat back and forth, but I really want to be more active on that, so make sure you guys be a part of that fam jam. But let's just jump into it. For this life hack, I believe I actually saw it in her morning life hacks one, but it was a hair hack, so I thought I would incorporate it because I thought it was honestly so smart to do. So a lot of the times when you wear ponytails fall out. When you have it like such a high ponytail as well, they tend to like fall out and they don't stay in that position. So her hack was to take two hair ties, and you're going to take the front bit first and tie it up, and then you're going to collect the rest of your hair and tie it into the ponytail. And this is supposed to make your ponytail not budge and stay in place all day long, which I think is super useful, especially when it comes to like you're out for a long day or you have an event or something like that and you want your ponytails to stay in place and not budge. So this is the finished look, and I think that it's actually really nice because I can really feel like it's much more secure than if I just did all my hair at once. So I'm definitely going to be using this hack, especially if I want my ponytail to stay all day, and I feel like it's more likely to stay up. And I have a hard time sometimes where my ponytails won't stay completely up like this and they kind of like swoop low, and sometimes I just want that high pony look. So I definitely give this one a thumbs up, and it was really easy to do. It takes honestly a few seconds. Well, I just spit because that's attractive. It takes less than a minute, so you can't really go wrong with that, and I think it's an easy thing to just do every single morning. For this next hack, you're going to need a metal utensil. So I'm taking a spoon and a hair dryer, and we are going to curl pieces of my hair with the spoon. So Wengie says that all you have to do is you blow dry your spoon so it gets hot, and then you're gonna wrap it around. So I'm gonna take a piece that's fairly straight, like this one, because some of my pieces are wavy and we need to see if it really works. So I'm gonna take a few of the pieces that kind of like the curl fell out, and I'm gonna try on that. So I'm just gonna heat up my spoon and we're gonna test this out. I just moved the angle a little bit just because my hair dryer doesn't have a long cord, and I'm just going to heat this up on high. My spoon is all heated up, and I'm just gonna curl this piece right here. Low-key, I'm super impressed. I actually love how this curl turned out. I don't know, I love it. I'm actually really impressed. I didn't think that would go as planned. So I definitely give this hack a thumbs up. Obviously, it would be super time consuming, so I wouldn't really recommend it. If you have a curling wand, it's easier just to use that. But this is a hack as if you don't have a curling wand and you want your hair to be wavy and just give it a different type of look. I used this size, so it's a little bit bigger. I have smaller spoons as well, so I'm assuming that's gonna give you more like crimpy hair and smaller curls. But I love the way that this size spoon gave me my curls, and of course if you wanted to stay you could spray hairspray and all that. This next hair hack, I'm probably the most excited about this one because I think it looks so cute and pretty, and this is the pull through braid that she did in her hair hacks, and all you're gonna need is tiny elastics and a hair clip. She used clear elastics, which I think are better to use if you have lighter hair, but since I have darker hair, I'm going to use a darker elastic band instead of the clear ones. And this is really cool because it's a pull through braid. It takes, she says, about 5 minutes, so we'll see how long it takes me because it might take a little bit longer. And it just looks like it's a braid, but you don't need to know how to do it. And I think this would be really great, especially when I was like younger and I didn't know how to do a braid, and it just looks super cute. So I'm going to try this out and we'll see how this goes. You're going to take the first section and you're going to make sure that the hair pieces are about the same inch, about the same width, because you want it to kind of look even. And then once you do that and you put it into a ponytail, you're going to flip it over and clip it, and then you're going to make another ponytail, and then you're going to put the first piece over. You guys will see how I'm doing this. Okay, so I did it, and I don't know how I feel about it. I definitely screwed it up. I don't know what this little bump here is doing, and I think I'm gonna have to perfect it and try it a few times, but once you do it a few times, I think I'll get a hang of it, but it definitely took me a lot longer than expected, and I think I failed, so I'm not really good at hairstyles, but I don't know. Definitely have to say I think Wengie did a much better job. This one, I'm a little disappointed that it didn't turn out how I envisioned. This is what always happens. You try something that you find on the internet and it never goes as planned. Story of my life happens to me every single day. This next hack is for your hair clips. So I think this one's actually gonna be really useful. A lot of the times when you put your hair, I cannot open it. A lot of the times when you put your hair in a clip, the clip falls out. So her hack is to actually glue gun, which right here, glue gun the little bristles of it, and it's going to hold it in place better on your hair. Of course, when you glue gun it, you have to wait till it dries, and then you can use it in your hair, and it's just gonna be more sturdy and it's not gonna fall out and slip off your hair. And I think this is really honestly gonna work, because I've used glue gun for other things to make things more sturdy and kind of like stick, like shoes, putting glue gun underneath your shoes for better grip, and it always gives it just better grip. So I definitely give this one a thumbs up, because it really does grip onto your hair better, and it's definitely not going to move or budge. So I definitely recommend doing these to your hair clips if you want a better grip with your clips. This last little hair hack I'm going to be testing out is, this is I think really useful. So a lot of the times we lose these bad boys, and these are bobby pins. They go everywhere and I end up losing them and have to keep repurchasing them. So Wengie's little hack was to actually take a little container. This is where I put a lot of my elastic bands so I don't lose those too, because those tend to go missing all the time. And just take a magnetic strip and put it across. And then once you put the magnetic strip across, then you can put each of the bobby pin on, and it will have a place for your bobby pins to all stay in place so you don't lose them, and then you have to keep repurchasing them. And I think this is a really good hack. Give this hack a thumbs up. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button to join the Nicolette's Fam Jam. Circle uploads every other day here on my channel. And as well as I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!